Hey, what's going on, everybody? Get the old Mongo Man here, making the walk out of the house. Black Friday 2024. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. KJ just woke me up and said, hey, let's go. We are headed to Virginia. Go along with us on this ride. Check out what we're doing. Hopefully it will culminate with us finding another bullnose and dragging it home. So here we go. All right, so we just stopped here at the Love's Travel Center. Got filled up on some beverages. KJ's putting air in the tire. I guess I'm driving the next 2 hours. We're about halfway there. Had to drive through some serious snow so far. Henry seems to be doing all right. We're just gonna keep on trucking. KJ's cleaning the headlights off and doing a walk around on the truck. That's when he noticed that right rear tire was low again, so got that taken care of, and we're gonna be on the road here again shortly. Well, what do you think of the trip so far?
It was taking a lot of fuel. Just made a giant circle.
That's another one. All right, everybody, that's loaded. 1984 F150 302 AOD, two-wheel drive, of course, down here in Virginia. It's not as clean as we had hoped it was, but it's still way cleaner than anything you can find in southwestern Pennsylvania. So we're just waiting on the bill of sale right now. Once we get that paperwork, we're gonna hit the road and head on home. What do you think of it, Kenny? Worth the money? Definitely worth the money. Power locks.
Power locks.
It's a lariat. It just doesn't have the lariat badge.
It's like they just didn't want it there.
Right.
Chrome around the windows. Overdrive. That's something Harley actually pointed out. I don't know what would have went there.
Probably a dealer sticker. That tailgate chrome is very rare. It's unfortunate it's been beat up, but we're going to try and save this, and this is going to go on Pam for sure.
You're already parting it out.
Yeah. It's already parted out, bro.
How about the cream white front fender?
Yeah, that's been resprayed for sure. That's the cream that you want to paint.
Yeah.
Clifford.
Clifford.
And that thing may have been cream.
Yeah, it might have been cream. Because this kind of looks cream.
Yeah. That's the Colonial two-tone with the back of the cab done like that. Is that a Lund visor?
I'm sure. No, it's a one because it's missing the decal for it.
We say it right there in letters.
It's on the other side. Yeah, there it is. One.
The pack dash. We already showed them the dash. AC truck with cruise. Obviously the cruise on the steering wheel is a little screwed up currently. 1984 F150. We have all the factory hubcaps too. I pulled that hubcap off so we could put air in that tire.
Oh, I was wondering where it went.
Yeah. The tiny little tires that are on it.
Those are cute.
Those are cute. That's definitely one way to say it. How many miles are on it?
I don't know, I didn't look.
Nah, it's gooned up.
Yeah, if we heat it up, I bet you we could. Worn out, so it's
146. Yeah.
Look at that brake though.
Yep. 146.